This is a comparison video. We're comparing the Cuzmok cordless vacuum to most other cordless vacuums in this category and price point. I went ahead and put together a few points just so you can get a vibe. Now, I've already tested this thing out. It's really nice, really easy to use, high quality, stays charged for a very long time. And maybe I'll cover a few of those things, but you can watch my other videos for that. This is mainly a comparison video to most other cordless vacuums in this category. So stronger motor and longer runtime. Typically in this category, you're only getting about 20 to 30 minutes of actual runtime. This thing gives you up to 50 when it's fully charged, and it only takes a few hours to charge it up. I love that, especially when you consider how lightweight this thing still is. The runtime's incredible. You also have a 550 watt brushless motor where typically you're only getting 300 to 400 at most watts. So that's my first point. Number two, advanced filtration and pet-friendly design. So it does use HEPA filtration and it gets 99.99% of fine dust. And you can even see it in here. You're getting a filter and then another filter, and then you see the excess, that kind of the debris that ends up in here. I think that's really nice. They also give you replacement filters as well to keep this thing running for a really long time. So point number three, it's lightweight and versatile. I already really told you that. I mean, this thing's a few pounds, dude. It's so lightweight. It's incredible. Also, I'll just show you, it's very easy to use. You can wall mount it if you want. Just sticks in like a cartridge, and then you got the screws to hook it in on the wall. Very easy to charge. You just plug that in on the bottom. It's charged up in a few hours. You've got three basic attachments, and they're super easy to put on. Boom. Boom. And boom. And I would say my fourth bonus, because of the setup of this and the awesomeness of these attachments, this is easily your entire home vacuum as well as your car vacuum. So that kills more than two birds with one stone. So in comparing this to most other cordless vacuums, I would say most other cordless vacuums are stupid.